Hello everyone, this is Zukhruf from InfoSharing 360. In today's lecture, we'll explore a new topic that I've prepared by carefully going through handouts, presentations, university video lectures, and my own research. Let's take a look at what we'll be covering. So let's get started. Let's explore and compare planning systems and what they do. First, MRP, Material Requirements Planning. It started in the 1960s and 70s. It is the basic system. Its main job is to calculate exactly what materials are needed. It figures out how much is needed and when. It only focuses on materials and inventory. It uses three things: the master schedule, the bill of materials and inventory records. It creates purchase orders and production schedules, but it does not check if production capacity is enough. An example: figuring out how much wood and varnish is needed for 500 chairs. Second, we have MRP2, Manufacturing Resource Planning. This evolved in the 1980s. It adds more manufacturing resources to MRP. Its main job is to sync materials with labor, machines, and money. It covers all manufacturing resources: materials, people, machines, and finances. It adds financial data and engineering changes. It creates budgets and staffing plans. It allows planning with performance feedback. Example: adding worker shifts and marketing costs to the chair plan. Third, we have ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. This became the standard in the 1990s. It connects all business areas in real time. It includes manufacturing, finance, HR, sales, and supply chain. It uses one central database for full company visibility. It gives real time dashboards and automated workflows. It helps make decisions using data across all departments. Example: instant updates from the factory floor to accounting for 500 chairs. Next, we have CRP, Capacity Requirements Planning. This works alongside MRP and MRP2. Its main job is to check if a production plan is possible. It focuses on short term capacity like machines and labor hours. It uses planned orders, current work, and operation steps. It finds bottlenecks and suggests changes. It stops the company from making plans it can't achieve. Example: checking if lathe machines are free to make chair legs. Remember, MRP starts with materials, MRP2 adds manufacturing resources, ERP connects the whole company, CRP checks if plans are possible. Next, we have MRP in service industries. MRP isn't just for factories. Service businesses can use it too. How it works for services: focus on your end item and the final service you deliver. Identify dependent demand, all resources needed to deliver it. This is like a service bill of materials. MRP helps services by planning and tracking all needed resources, making sure resources arrive on time and in the right amounts, scheduling work and labor to meet deadlines. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel InfoSharing 360. Thank you for watching this video.